Are you a matriculant? So how do you feel today? You are happy. So what are the study methods for Zisa? Our past papers. Yes, okay. Good luck, ne? So it's your first day today. How do you feel?
I'm excited, but at the same time also nervous.
So any study methods that you were using that you think other matriculants should use?
I'm using past papers and groups, reformulated group, study groups. So course nights. So yeah.
Okay, no. Siyabonga kakhulu and good luck on your first paper, ne? So are you happy? Are you excited? And then manje ama study methods bowasebenzisa? Okay, good luck on your first paper. Show wachita. Today niyaqala ukubhala. Are you excited? Are you confident?
Confident, very much confident, very much excited.
Yeah, and then any study methods that you were using, maybe other metrics? Yeah, that you think other metrics should do so?
Ungavamisa ukulala late, lala ngesikhathi and uyenze umsebenzi wakho each and every time. Have your own study timetable.
Hi Ninjani guys. Namhlanje you are writing your first paper. How do you feel? Nisizwa kanjani? Are you confident? Okay, sharply. Ninjani guys. No pali paper len lokuqala namhlanje nisizwa kanjani? And just an interview noma ngama it's fine.
Sizizwa simnandi ngisho manje ngijabule empilweni ukuthi sesoqeda isikole
sharp and then are you confident any study methods ongakhuluma ukuthi amanye ama metric angawasebenzisa?
Shothi manje for paper 3 home language mina into engatshela abafowethu ukuthi ababamba ama formats phela nenye into
Zibomnandi.
Matrix uthi angifaka ngishedela imhlophe. Aw.
So brother already iphepha lakho namhlanje ukuthi yeah, ready guys. Phepha leni lokuqala namhlanje. Are you ready? Are you happy? Are you confident? Are you excited?
We are happy, we are ready.
In Chimile, obviously, I'm a study method that you guys were using and Kawanguti Vela and Spanella, and then Amanyama metric, can you also use them?
No, la usosebenzisa nina next year la abazongena ngekaziphanele uthola afuna vele ikantsonto igora vele njengazo otherwise
sebenzisa ama previous question paper ukuze ugeleze.
Okay, shap siyabonga sister.
Oh sister, babusister.
Shapne. Ninjani? Yini nakwazi ukukhuluma guys? Yini niready ukubhala namhlanje? Okay, shap.
To Tata TV.